The bigger, more versatile hydraulic Power Wedge II features a larger foil with a 21% surface area increase, which equates to an additional 300 pounds of simulated ballast for a total of 1,500 pounds of weight-creating water displacement. On top of this massive increase, a new upward angle radically increases lift, allowing the driver to get a fully loaded boat planing in much less time. The more symmetrical wake that the new Power Wedge II creates is also taller, longer, and cleaner. Add surf gate, and you can transform your wake into a wicked wave. The result is an evolutionary leap beyond all other wakeboarding and surfing systems.